Uh, Hello everyone. एक और दिन, another ride. We'll go for one more ride today. Actually, आज I am riding with the DBBR, the Delhi Breakfast Bikers Run. I think that is what the full form is. So I'm going with them today. अभी मैं just निकल रहा हूँ. I was supposed to be reaching there by 5:30, but I think it's already 6. There was some work that I needed to complete. So I was getting that done. And अब I'm leaving. I think यहाँ से 5-10 मिनट ही लगेंगे. Currently मैंने कोई सीधा कर लेते हैं. कोई एग्जॉस्ट के लिए कैमरा, कोई माइक नहीं लगाया है. आई डोंट थिंक इट्स नीडेड राइट नाउ. Oh, a lot of dogs. But that's fine. So this camera placement is a little weird. So yeah, like I said, we're going to be riding with the Delhi Breakfast biking run today. And I think 7:30 is the flag off timing, but we had to reach by 5:30. I am late because it is 6:15 already. थोड़ा काम था ऑफिस में that needed to be done, so निकल गया हूँ. And this is the first time that I'm going to be riding with such a big riding group. Otherwise हम लोग का 4-5 बाइकर्स का राइडिंग ग्रुप है. हम उसी में जाते हैं, उसी में भी we ride and spend time accordingly. So that is also one thing that is something new for me. And I asked a lot of my friends if they wanted to join me today, but none of them were free. So it's my day. I mean, I'll go today. Let's see. And there's another group of dogs there. I think they're going to charge at me like traffic police. To be careful. Really slowly. There was once I was going to this road and it was night, and one of the dog charged at me, like literally charged. He tried to bite my jeans off, but बच गया. Luckily उस दिन कुछ हुआ नहीं. And this is a yellow blinking. So we have to go to sector 29. About 4 kilometers from my office, not very far. And after a long time, I've taken out my tank bag. It was just sitting there, so सोचा यार आज निकाल ही लेते हैं. And I have a lot of stuff. Actually, the camera is not charged, so I'm carrying the battery case. I have ND filters inside. माइक का जो बॉक्स है वो सारा अंदर है. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई थॉट कि बेटर कि ले ही चलते हैं. अदरवाइज आई यूज टू जस्ट पुट ऑन द माइक्स on my jacket and the helmet and then just carry on. But I think it was a little better today that I took it. So that's fine. मेरे को ना आई थिंक मैप लगाना पड़ेगा. मेरे को एग्जैक्टली पता नहीं है कि सेक्टर 29 में कहाँ है. आई थिंक आई नो मार्केट में है, जो द मेन एरिया वेयर देयर आर लॉट ऑफ क्लब्स एंड ऑल. आई नो इट्स देयर समवेयर, बट नॉट एग्जैक्टली श्योर कि कहाँ पे होगा. We'll just look into that. देखना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. But yeah, what a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. The sun's rising now. It's about 6:15, 6:20 right now. Sun's rising, and really great morning. I hope ऐसा ही रहे because it's been hot. It's been like freaking hot in the morning for the past week or so, and it's unbearable, especially when you're wearing all these uh, like helmets and not helmets obviously, the riding jacket and the gloves. Sometimes it becomes a little irritating. Thankfully the gloves and the riding jacket are meshed, so while we are on the road it's not an issue for me. But yeah, I think I do need to check the timing, the place actually, not timing. Timing तो late हो ही गए हैं. I think I also need to check out the place. And also tomorrow as well, like today is the 16th. Tomorrow the 17th, I'm also going on the distinguished gentleman's ride. Now again, this is the first time I'm going to be there, and I don't know. I think this is the cut that I need to take, and I genuinely don't know how this ride's going to go. Akela hu, no friends, nothing. I thought I'll just do me for some time. Oh, I think it's showing I took the wrong way. I don't know if that's the case. I think this is the only way from here. और कोई रास्ता तो है नहीं. No, I was right. Yes, I'm on the right path. I just didn't know that from where did I need to take the turn. So yeah, I'm on the right path. Yes. So like I said, beautiful morning, and I haven't slept all night actually. I was so excited for today. पहली बार ऐसे जा रहा हूँ, so that's why a lot of things on my mind. So we've started the ride finally. It's about 7:40 right now. Told to be in two formations, two line. So is going to be the formation, and that is one smooth bike. I think we are going to Faridabad, Remedra something. So I think yeah, now I think we're on the open road. अब बोला गया था that we need to follow a two-lane kind of a formation, but I think that's also not possible every time because it's early morning on a Saturday. It's not very early now. It's 8 a.m. now almost, and there are cars on the road, trucks, autos, two-wheelers, everyone. So I think उस वजह से ये फॉर्मेशन भी थोड़ा सा मेंटेन करना इज़ अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. आई थिंक ही इज़ अ मार्शल.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same. Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like